What if you could trade crypto 24/7 without emotion? In this series, we're building a fully automated trading robot for Binance using Python. By the end of this video, you'll have your API connected and ready to trade on the Binance Spot Market, where there are no overnight swap fees and some of the lowest commissions anywhere. Let's dive in. Why Binance Spot? The cost advantage. Before we code, why Binance Spot? First, you buy and own the actual asset. This means no complex swap or funding fees you get charged in futures trading. Second, Binance offers very competitive trading fees, which is crucial for a bot that trades frequently. Let me show you why this matters with a real example. On another platform last month, I made a profit of over $16,000, but more than $1,400 of that was eaten by swap fees and another 300 plus in commissions. On Binance Spot, that entire huge swap fee cost is zero. We're keeping costs predictable and low from the start, which is the foundation for a successful bot like the following. First, make sure you have Python installed from python.org. We will use Visual Studio Code IDE, but you can use any. Installing Python. Python is a language of choice for this project, and for good reason. It is renowned for its readability, its vast ecosystem of powerful libraries, and its widespread adoption in both data science and fintech. If you do not have Python installed, please pause here and visit python.org. Download the latest stable version for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. During installation, there is one critical checkbox. Add Python to path. Ensure this is selected. This allows your system to recognize Python commands from the terminal or command prompt, which is absolutely essential for our work. To verify your installation, open your command prompt, Windows, or terminal macOS divided by Linux. Type Python version or Python 3 version and press enter. You should see a message like Python 3.1, 1.3, or similar, confirming the version number. If you see this, you have successfully completed phase 1. Choosing your code editor. While you can write Python in a simple text editor, a dedicated code editor will dramatically improve your experience. It will color code your syntax, highlight errors, and help you manage your project files. My strong recommendation for this project is Visual Studio Code, often called VS Code. It is free, incredibly powerful, and has excellent support for Python. Download it from code.visualstudio.com and install it. Once installed, open VS Code, and I highly recommend installing the official Python extension from Microsoft. This extension turns VS Code into a fully fledged Python development environment. You can find it by clicking the extensions icon on the left sidebar. Next, we need your API keys from Binance. Think of them as your bot's secure username and password. Log into your Binance account. Click your profile icon, go to API management, and create a new key. Give it a clear name like Python Trading Bot. Crucial security tip. When the keys are displayed, save your secret key immediately. You won't see it again. For this bot, only check the permissions for enable reading and enable spot and margin trading. Do not enable withdrawals. This is your critical safety net. Step 2 is the communication tool. We'll use the excellent python-binance library. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the command pip install python-binance. This library handles all the complex communication with Binance for us. We will first test on Binance's free demo server, the Testnet. This lets us practice without risking real money. Create a new Python file, import the client from the library, paste in your Testnet API keys, and crucially, add the parameter testnet equals true. We'll then call client.getAccount to fetch our demo balance. Run it, and success. Our bot is now talking to Binance. Just remember, get account fetches your spot balance only. Step 4, switch to live spot market. Now for the real deal. To switch to your live spot account, just remove the testnet equals true parameter and use your live API keys. If you're on the global exchange, you can use TLD equals .com. Let's get the live price of Bitcoin to confirm it's working. Beautiful. Your automated trading engine is now live and connected to the Binance Spot Market. Recap and tease. We covered why Binance Spot is great for bots, secured our API keys, installed python-binance, and connected to both test and live markets. Your foundation is solid. In part 2, we'll make this bot smart. We'll add a trading strategy, place real BUY and sell orders, and build a safety loop. That's where the real automation begins. Call to action. Download the complete code from the link below. If you're serious about algorithmic trading, I highly recommend you start experimenting on the testnet first. Smash that like button if this helped, subscribe for part 2, and post your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.